Hello my friends, it's March and it's giveaway time. So I just want to congratulate Jay Navarro for winning our first prize. This month, the month of February, I am so excited to give away the MAC Jeremy Scott collaboration palette. It's a 29 eyeshadow palette. I figured this one is so expensive, nobody will want to spend that kind of money, so it'd be a good prize to get. And I also bought me one. I'll have one to do some looks on, but it's gorgeous. This is my palette actually. This is not the giveaway one, but it looks like this, like a little mini boombox. And when you open it up, and I mean it's so, if you collect palettes, you have to have this one. It's so intricate. You can feel the little dots on the speakers. I think I had one just like this one. It was my husband's. He had one very similar to this one. And then on the back, they list the different colors.
I gotta get something straight. I didn't have the palette with the makeup. I had the boombox.
No, he had the real boombox, not the palette. I'd rather the palette though. Okay, and when you open it up, let's see. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, it has a huge mirror. Huge mirror. And then you have all the different colors. It looks like, I don't know what they call that when the music plays and the lines go. That's what they were looking for here. And the clear insert has the names of the different colors also. I know the first white one's called Lo-Fi. But it has like the groupings of colors. And there's so many different colors in the palette. And so many looks you can do with this palette. So I hope everyone's satisfied. I really like this palette, and I hope everybody enjoys this also, getting a chance to win it. This time, to get some extra chances to win, you'll get an entry for any March video you watch and comment on. Any kind of comment, suggestions, creative criticism, anything is fine. And also, if you go to my Instagram page, which is Kendy Jane 18, and I will put up the video on there also. If you make a comment on there, you'll get an extra chance. And if you send the page to a friend, share it. I don't know how I would know that though. And if I can see that you shared it, I'll give you 2 chances in the thing. We had 200, how many entries in February?
211. 211
entries. And we had everyone's name. If you had, like, on one video you commented 3 times, that was 3 entries. And then my husband put that app on his phone and randomly picked a number. And I don't remember what number it was. 1 something or whatever it was Jay Navarro. And so I emailed him and asked him just their address, and that was it. So that's similar to how we'll do it again this time. But I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Don't laugh at me. It's so hard. So I'd appreciate any kind of referrals to friends that like makeup. And I'm trying to get my watch time up also. So I may do a live broadcast on something. So that is about it for the giveaway. Good luck to everyone, and if you don't win this month, we'll have April. We'll see what we'll have in April. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I appreciate everybody has commented and done so far. I'm just so appreciative. I'm surprised I have like 171 subscribers right now, which is amazing. So, thanks everybody and good luck. Bye.